Hi, Matrix community members. It is late August. Actually, it is 25th of August. And today we are going to shoot the AMA video to update some questions from our community members with our CEO, Mr. Owen Tao. And hi, Owen.
Hi, Eric. Hi, community.
Okay. Okay, welcome to the club. Welcome to this club.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. We see the pictures that you deliver the speech in the digital economy conference, and that we know. I mean, the community know, not me, not myself. So you already joined our club. So yeah, also that's good. So
I'm cool now.
okay, today we have some questions from certain community members, and I hope you could shed some light on those and answer those. So, without further ado, let me start with the first question. This question comes from Sweet. He's quite excited about the Fingerwine wallet, and he's asking, is there any estimate? Sorry, is there any estimated price for owning a wallet like that?
Not yet because we haven't finished the whole development work. After that, and when we start public testing, maybe we can decide the how much it will be. Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, yes, I think in the last AMA you mentioned we have to test thoroughly in terms of security and many other things. So it will take quite a while to make sure it's not compromised. Yeah, I think this is a sensible approach. And then the second question is the whole Saga game is quite nice in terms of UI and also in terms of gameplay. And he's asking whether we have any plan to bring it back.
Because the old team, the old development team, met some problems in their original development plan. The most important problem is their centralized client is not very compatible with the decentralized network, such as the blockchain. So I think maybe in the future we need to find some better team to solve these problems. Yeah, we'd like to bring it back. We'd like to restart this project. I think it's a good blockchain game. But I think when in the future plan, it will have lots of big changes in the development plan. Yeah, it will be very different with the old one.
Yeah. So correct me if I'm wrong. So we will put more effort into the roadmap, try to make sure it will be delivered, and then we look at the whole Saga game. So in a right time. So it's not a priority for now, right? Okay, good.
Yeah.
And then this question is from Saken. Do we have any new partnership? Yeah, I think we have an announcement about the partnership with Lemo Train for the Make Apex thing, right? Could you maybe you have some more information to share with us?
Yes. Because I think the Apex will launch in the coming 2 weeks. Yeah, so I think in this week or next week we will publish more details about this project, and also the more details about our cooperations with Limo, because we have introduced the Apex into our ecosystem, and it will be a global stable coin platform. So the first stage for Apex will be India. And we will do lots of cooperation and with Limo there. Yeah. So yeah, the community, you will get more information in the coming 1 or 2 weeks.
Okay, Owen, I think this sets a very good example. I mean, in terms of the transparency of the partnerships. So we can keep updating any information or progress or any marketing materials coming from any partner. So I think it will enlighten the community and to provide more transparency in terms of this communication. So let's just set it a good practice. Thanks, Owen, for the information. And community, we will see more information about these epic things. And I think for further new partnerships. And just don't forget, try to read our articles about the Opal project. So they are quite big, so it is worth your time to study. Yeah. And then we go on to does Matrix use Web 3.0 technology?
In fact, how to define the Web 3.0 is a big it's a big problem. So in the current situations, I think Matrix has already used some Web 3 technologies such as the decentralized storage. Matrix has already used this the decentralized storage, and also I think in the future we will introduce more technologies belong to Web 3. I think such as our Mania platform. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that we are coming up with an article about the Mania thing. So I think they will give more information to the committee to understand the powerful points of Mania. Yeah. And we go on to the question from Chafin. Could you share with us what is Professor Deng busy with recently?
The main work for Steve is he is leading his team to develop the auto machine learning system. Yeah, Manta. In another name, and also he will find out some small use cases for Matrix to show all the customers what the Matrix can do in the near future. So I think we will share his work to the community in the near future. Yeah.
Okay. So when you say about the use case, you are talking about the mini application that we are going to build on the Matrix for spread for promotion methods, right? So I think he's working with his students to coming up what kinds of mini application that they can run, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Okay, so just for the understanding of the community, so Professor Deng is doing aside from the usual development work, he is also working with his students to coming up with ideas or mini application that can run on the matrix, and they can help to spread the AI metrics of metrics. So just stay tuned. We're coming up with that small mini application, and we're waiting for the timeline from Professor Teng as well. Okay, so I hope this answer the question from Chavin about Professor Teng. And another question is, do we have any way to make it easier to start a new node?
Yes, we have already pack up a new snapshot, and it will release to the community very soon. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it already released, Owen. It was released yesterday. So Ken published a very detailed guide in terms of how to do that with a document. So it is quite detailed. So community, if you have any further questions, you can keep asking about this matter. And then the next question will come from Elk. Do we have any update about the GPU mining?
Yes, the Manta system is under development in his schedule. I think maybe in the next month, maybe we can make some small testing to the public. Yeah, so it's in the schedule. I think.
Okay. Okay, so we are still working on the GPU mining thing, and it becomes a part of the Manta, right? And then two more questions. This question comes from Salami. He want to know more about the Chinese marketing team. Any work or anything to share from them?
They are working hard to build the Chinese community and also introduce some partnership to our project. So you will learn all the details in our published article. Yeah. So if we have any news about the Chinese community and the new partnership, we will publish them with the article to the community.
So when you say about the Chinese community, you mean the WeChat subscription account, right?
Yeah, WeChat, Weibo, or
Weibo,
something
okay.
else. Yeah.
Okay.
The Chinese Twitter. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you will, if you want to know more about the Chinese marketing, you can subscribe to the WeChat subscription account and also to the Weibo account of Metrics.
Yeah.
So last question come from Emra. I hope I pronounce it correctly. Will we do some marketing for the global market? So I think this question is better answered by me. So yes, that is the plan. It's about timing. So in accordance to our project progress, so we are spend more effort on global marketing, and that's why you see the announcement on the recruitment of two positions. The number one is the head of community, and the second one is about the head of marketing. So head of marketing, simply to put, is to by all digital marketing means try to recruit members or to increase the awareness of metrics in a global perspective. And head of community, the keyword is be about the engagement or retention. So when people come from the head of marketing or marketing efforts, they get to our social platforms, and by the effort of the community managers and also head of community and admins, we try to increase the engagement and increase the active level, and also to increase the retention rate of these followers. So this would be the so-called growth hacking strategy. Of course, it doesn't end in this step. So we will further look in to other options. For example, our awareness, activation, retention, revenue, referral, etc. So this is kinds of chain reaction, and we do consider that. And as I said, it is about timing, and the timing is right. So yeah, we will start the some digital marketing or serious marketing efforts for the global markets. Yeah. So we will announce the appointment after interviews and after receiving the applications. So this is what we are going to do for the global markets. So yeah, Emerald, I think this answers your question. So Owen, I think this
Yeah.
we have answered all the questions from the community in this AMA, and thank you for your time. And
Thank you, Eric.
just keep updating or giving us more information so that we can give more transparency to the
Yeah,
community.
of course.
Okay, thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, community. Bye bye, Owen. Bye bye.